Hey guys, this is the inside of one of the stalls. I just wanted to show you my technique when it comes to securing the outside wall, which is just the barn and batting, to these 2x4s running across there. Now, I always recommend using a longer nail than you need. So these right here, they are 1x8s, and I think it was a 3.5 inch nail bent over. So my theory is always use a nail that is much longer than you need rather than much shorter, and then just bend it over. Same with these brad nailers. Some guys might tell you that's, that brad nail is, 1.5 inches too long. Not if you can bend it over. Not if you really take your time and do it right. Bend those over, and that will secure that even better to whatever you're nailing into. As you can see, those 3.5 inch spikes. This thing is not blowing over anytime soon. So that's how I did that.